Hello friends, warm welcome to our channel Express Naukri. Request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri and hit the bell icon for latest updates on videos. Astral Pipes are the best CPVC pipes and fitting manufacturers company in India with a wide range of pipes, such as PVC pipes, CPVC pipes etc. Astral is a great place to work award certified company. Astral Pipes having multiple job vacancies for various departments, so let's discuss it. First, department is Production Faucets. Position as Supervisors required for casting, machine shop, grinding, polishing, electroplating, assembly. Qualification required Diploma in Mechanical Engineering or ITI. Experience required 4 to 10 years in faucets taps industry only. Second, department is Quality Control Faucets. Position as Engineers QC. Qualification required Diploma in Mechanical Engineering or BE in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 4 to 6 years in faucets taps industry only. Third, department is Quality Control Faucets. Position as Checkers QC, required for casting, machine shop, grinding, polishing, electroplating, assembly. Qualification required ITI or Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 4 to 6 years in faucets taps industry only. Fourth, department as Tool Room Faucets. Position as Engineer Tool Room. Qualification required Diploma in Mechanical Engineering or BE in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 8 to 10 years in faucets taps industry only. Fifth, department is Tool Room Faucets. Position as Engineer CAD CAM. Qualification required Diploma in Mechanical Engineering with AutoCAD CAM experience. Experience required 2 to 3 years in faucets taps industry only. Sixth, department as Maintenance. Position as Engineers Mechanical and Electrical. Qualification required Diploma in Mechanical Engineering or Diploma in Electrical Engineering or BE. Experience required 2 to 3 years in any manufacturing industry. Seventh, department as Maintenance. Position as Fitters. Qualification required ITI. Experience required 4 to 6 years in any manufacturing industry. Eighth, department as Maintenance. Position as Electricians. Qualification required ITI. Experience required 4 to 6 years in any manufacturing industry. Interested candidates can mail resume on above email address with subject line for position applied. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep watching, keep supporting us, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. Thank you and all the best.